Ladies and gentlemen, we are back covering SPY. It is Tuesday, January 9th, 2024. Let's jump into it. So we open up here, blue line, 471.82. You know, you get a bull, you get a bear, both sides, who's going to win? This is what's interesting about the middle. Okay? We're going to see a lot of volatility. But importantly, you're really interested in what happens around this blue line. And the blue line's right by the 472 strike. So you see the bears trying to take it lower, fail. Then you see bulls and a bear come in right above the strike, okay? This is where you pay attention, this spot right here, okay? Because we get 3 alerts at the same time. Someone's going to win, someone's going to lose. That's just how trading works, okay? We drop down below this blue, and it does not go further. That's where you buy this, okay? So sometimes high volume, we're in low volume today, high volume or a chase alert, you can take it right away, sometimes without even thinking. Here, you could have taken the bear immediately. You know, you get 29%. But really, you're thinking, hey, 2 bulls, 1 bear. As soon as this thing starts coming up, boom, you know, you're buying this for the 472 call. And you're able to get the 472 call option below 472. So your return's going to be even greater. As we go on through the session, you get another bull here, 247 score, kind of small. But what this does is, if you're still in the trade, you know, which you should be, tells you to hold on, okay? You know, we come down a little bit, but it's not significant. You get a bear come in, and then you get another bull. So if I'm here, I buy down here, okay? Because I'm below the strike, I'm below the blue, and I'm buying this as soon as I see it start going up. We'll switch to ugly mode. You know, right here, you see this candle, and you see these white candles. You're buying right here. 1, 2, go. Bang, baby. Easy money trade. So it's always cool to come and see how much money you could have made. And we're working on building out this functionality a little bit better. It'll show up here on the pages here shortly. But if we go into the live feed and, you know, let's just select SPY and let's just select, we want the bulls, baby. Let's sort by max gain here. So if you're looking at it, max gain 235% on the opens. Yeah, 200%. It's basically what you got on all of those. And kind of what I talked about earlier. When the alert comes in, if it's high volume, we can chase it. If it's low volume, you can often get a better entry price. So when you see this max drawdown, minus 33%, in 44 minutes, you know, you could have had a better price. And then this max gain is, you know, 250 or something like that. You know, the crazy thing is, if you look at this one, right? Even if you bought that at the time of the alert and did nothing, you return 98%. 98%. You went from $86 to $170. That is incredible. You'll notice later in the day, right, the returns come down for the bulls, okay? And the reason why this is right here is the PS, position score. And basic rig strategy is when your PS gets higher and you're in bulls, there's more risk, right? Because there's more risk, you're going to keep going higher, especially in this 3 to 4 range. Now, if PS is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's more likely to keep going. But here, you know, it's more likely to see a reversal. Let's switch to the opposite side alerts. So if we're looking at max gain, this one's coming in the final, 1,300. Oh my gosh, you get no drawdown on the way. The bear swing is absolutely epic as well, 123%. But these are the ones we love. 140% in 32 minutes. Let's look at the alert. There it is. And we'll talk about this in a second, but why is this great? 1 strike, 2 strikes, doesn't get to 3. There's no bulls around it. You take that thing right here. Oh, baby, what a trade. Okay, let's go back to the full view. So what happens the rest of the session? These bulls kind of get killed, which is what we expect, 10:15, 10:30. And then from 11 on, we basically just go straight up, okay? We go up, 2.5 strikes. But this is the interesting part. Okay, so you see all this, it's the florbs, it's pretty mixed. What is this telling us? I don't know. It's Christmas lights all over the place. It's not a good signal either way. But what we do know is that we're really only 2 strikes up, because this 472, we open at 471.82. We're really only 2 strikes up. And on an average day in the market, we're going 3 strikes higher or 3 strikes lower. So you see these come in, and some people are thinking mean reversion right now, but typically that doesn't really start to happen until the 1300 to 1400 window of time. Okay? But we can see these, and then boom, here's a nice one. This is coming in for the 475 put, and you're a little bit under 475 at 474.79. You didn't get any, there's no bulls in here. So it's likely this thing's going to come down, okay? And then you get a nice gain. Here, this is a big daddy, 788, $700,000 something in premium. Sometimes this works and we nuke right away. Sometimes it doesn't. This is a trade that fails. The one thing to keep in mind is there was just one here that you could have ran down. If you're taking this trade right here, we are late. We are late, we are late, we are late. We don't want to be late. They already got a strike and a half right there. Okay? Next, let's see. Let's move into the final. Better view here. Okay, so this starts to go down, and then it just doesn't. The algos say, hey, this thing's going higher. F you. And now you see the bulls come in, and they're late too, because if they had any stones, they would have done it down here. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4. If this thing does not go on these 4, the market is going to do what the market does best and kill them. And that's exactly what happens. So here, you can take the bear, because, right, we're in a mean reversion, low volume type of day, PS 554, and boom, you get a max gain, 123.69%. This one here, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I also don't hate it. Good size score, but then again, right? There was already the move, and we're a little bit late. Here, we get another bull come in. I just don't love bulls above the blue on a low volume day, and this is a terrible trade. 8.92%. Even when, if you went into the power hour, shout out to everyone in the Discord who crushed that at the end of the day. Oh, I got to keep DJ mode on here. So here, power hour is very crazy. 10 cents will mean the difference between 30% profit and death. You get the bear bomb here, PS 2.33. Means we're coming a little bit closer back to that blue line. And boom, you get it a little bit. But here's the thing when you're trading in this last hour, last half hour, it gets crazy. And that's exactly what happened here, okay? We shoot right back up to 474 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. 6 minutes, boom, a couple of us caught it for 100% plus. That's extra DJ mode, not something you should be doing when you first get started. Let's turn DJ mode off. This is going to give you our preferred Komodo alerts. And we're just showing you these two. That's a little bit of an error. I'm going to start I'm going to remove this part from the video. Check, check, check.